In the rapidly evolving landscape of the 21st century, the demand for high-income skills is skyrocketing like never before. As technology continues to advance at a breakneck pace and the dynamics of the job market shift, a wealth of new opportunities is emerging. For those willing to learn, adapt, and acquire these sought-after skills, the potential for prosperity is enormous. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 high-income skills for 2024. Stay tuned as we delve into the top 5 high-income skills for 2024 that can open doors to lucrative opportunities. Before we dive in, it's important to understand what high-income skills are. High-income skills are not about having an advanced degree or a fancy title. They're about mastering certain abilities that are in high demand and can net you a significant income. Just like a craftsman who hones his skills to create a masterpiece, you too need to polish your abilities to a high degree of excellence. These skills can range from digital marketing to artificial intelligence, from coding to creative writing. The key is to find a skill that resonates with your interests and the current market trends. Remember, the world is becoming more specialized, and those with unique high-demand skills are poised to reap the rewards. This is not about overnight success. It's about dedication, continuous learning, and adapting to an ever-changing landscape. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's dive into these high-income skills. Topping our list is the skill of data analysis. In today's digital age, data is the new gold. It's the lifeblood of industries from tech to healthcare and even entertainment. The ability to interpret and harness this data is a game changer. Highly skilled data analysts are in high demand, and they're compensated well for their expertise. They're the treasure hunters of the digital realm, extracting valuable insights from vast data landscapes. Indeed, data rules the world, and those who can analyze it rule the roost. Next up is AI and machine learning. These skills are the beating heart of our technology-driven era, shaping everything from your smartphone apps to global economies. Mastering these skills can open doors to a world of lucrative opportunities. Imagine being the brain behind intelligent systems that transform industries and everyday life. The average salary of an AI specialist is a testament to this skill's worth, reaching well into 6 figures. As AI continues to evolve, the demand for skilled professionals in this field is only expected to rise. Coming up next is cybersecurity. In the digital age, protecting critical data from potential threats is paramount. Cybersecurity, thus, becomes a high-income skill that's in high demand. As a cybersecurity expert, your role is essentially to guard the digital fortress, a task that's both challenging and rewarding. The potential income? It's impressive to say the least. In a world where data breaches are rampant, cybersecurity experts are the new superheroes. So if you're tech-savvy and love a good challenge, this could be your calling. Fourth on our list is digital marketing. In a world where online presence is key, mastering digital marketing can open doors to lucrative opportunities. It's not just about selling products or services, but about crafting compelling narratives that capture attention and drive engagement. From SEO to social media strategy, the field is wide and varied. By honing these skills, you could generate substantial income. In the digital age, the art of selling has moved online, and those who master it stand to make a fortune. Last but not least is programming. This high-income skill has become the cornerstone of our digital world. From creating software to developing applications, programming is an essential part of our daily lives. With its widespread applications across various industries, mastering this skill opens up a world of lucrative opportunities. Imagine, as a skilled programmer, you could be the architect of the next groundbreaking app or software. A programmer's potential income is as limitless as their imagination. In the world of technology, coders are the creators. And there you have it, the top 5 high-income skills for 2024. From understanding the rising demand to diving deep into these lucrative skills, we've journeyed together through this constantly evolving job market. These skills are not just about earning more, they're about future-proofing your career, ensuring success in an ever-changing landscape. Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. So start learning, start earning. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.